Hi everyone, hi friends, hi internet, and this is my mock artist education, and mock artist education will give you some new thoughts and idea how to develop your thinking power and how to change your thinking power. So today's topic is when I was young. Everyone, this topic is will be very fun. Everyone they want to say when I was young. Then my mother used to tell, my father used to tell, and my teacher used to tell. So everyone, when you say used to tell means bolto. Used to tell. My father used to tell, and today I will tell you an incident of that time. So one day I asked my father, to buy me a football, and can you buy me a football? And my father said to me, I have I have one condition. I have one condition, and I said, what? And my mother said to me, if you can say a essay, and if you can write a essay in football. After saying this, he went to the office, and I where do I learn write essay? Then these many books in my house, and I started searching, and finally found a book, and essay in a book. So and uh, then read and write, and very well, and wrote. After my father came to house, he said, what's up, football essays finished? And I said to him, yes, football essays finished, and I wrote here. mm, okay, and you can say. And I said to him, football essay. Then my father, and I said, then football. And then my father bought me a football. So like an incident, it is not incident, like a short story. And how to tell you a short story, like a same, I will tell you another story. This story is also very interesting. So my grandmother used to tell me a lot of stories. Then in that time I was very young, and I would listen very carefully. Then one day, this story is very interesting, and a tiger and a mosquito. And tiger was, everyone knows, tiger. Tiger is the king of the forest, very big king in the forest. Tiger and mosquito, like everyone house has mosquito, like a small insect. So everyone knows mosquito and a tiger. So tiger, one day a tiger dozing under a tree. A mosquito came one day. A tiger dozing under a tree and came buzzing by. The tiger said, "Hey mosquito, go away." The mosquito said, "Why should I go away? I am not afraid of you." So the tiger was very angry. So tiger was very angry with his paw, hit the paw, the mosquito, and mosquito flew off. Then mosquito flew off. The paw struck his own cheek. The blow scraped his cheek. It began to bleed. The mosquito beat. Ah, wow, wow. The tiger struck at this paw, other paw. The mosquito flew off. This time to hit himself. Tung, tung. The mosquitoes flew off. Then mosquito came, and the mosquito go. Then tiger was very helpless. Tiger was very helpless. The mosquito continued to buzz. The tiger got up and go away, walked away. Then the mosquito called out, "Hey tiger, my friends, hey tiger," after him, called out after him. Don't be so proud, my friends. Everyone is great on his way. So this line, everyone is great on his way. Now I remember, I um, did not forget that line, this line. So, how to explain story? Story is the best way for learning English, and many people they are say lots of grammar. Grammar is not important. Important is how to say and how to thinking like I also. So can something new, and if you like this video, like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and I hope I will bring a new video soon.